In a dramatic saga steeped in the intoxication of power, former BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar's downfall epitomizes the perilous nature of authority gone awry. Once a figure cloaked in influence, Sengar's ignorance of the gravity of his actions culminated in a haunting crime, the rape of a minor girl, emerging from a backdrop of political machinations and a harrowing family tragedy. Sengar's reign, marked by alleged transgressions, came crashing down as the scales of justice tipped against him. His influence over law enforcement was potent, enabling a nefarious strategy that involved not only the heinous act he committed, but also the orchestrated silencing of the victim's family. The chilling details reveal a calculated plan. The police, acting under his sway, apprehended the girl's father under dubious charges, leading to his untimely demise under circumstances riddled with allegations of brutal police treatment. As the legal storm brewed, the Allahabad High Court stepped in, giving rise to the CBI's involvement, which later marked a turning point in the quest for justice. With evidence mounting, Sengar's grip on power faltered, culminating in a trial that resulted in a decade-long sentence for his transgressions. The shadow of guilt followed him like a specter, and his former allies, once pillars of support, distanced themselves as public outrage echoed through the corridors of justice. What seemed an invincible facade of power unraveled, revealing the solitary confinement of a man whose decisions had curdled into a nightmare of consequences. In an irony steeped in the passage of time, Kuldeep Sengar now finds himself appealing for mercy before the Delhi High Court, claiming a medical emergency as the grounds for the suspension of his sentence. This stark contrast of past and present underscores a grim reality. A man, once revered as a leader, now reduced to a pleading figure in desperate need of compassion. The case serves as a reminder of the relentless march of time, where the intoxication of power can dissolve into a sobering reckoning, bringing forth the truth hidden beneath layers of entitlement and disregard for human life. This, it seems, does not come easy, nor does it forget. As the High Court deliberates on his plea, the echoes of his past misdeeds reverberate, a potent reminder of the moral decay that often accompanies unchecked authority. Sengar's fate lies in the hands of the judiciary, where each decision will further reshape the narrative of this haunting tale, a tale of power, crime, and the inexorable pursuit of justice. The narrative of power often walks a thin line between authority and tyranny, and in the tragic case of July 28, 2019, we witness its extreme cruelty unfurling. A truck deliberately crushed the car carrying a rape victim, her lawyer, and two of her aunts, resulting in the untimely demise of two women and leaving both the victim and her lawyer with grave injuries. This catastrophic event highlighted the excessive lengths to which individuals intoxicated by power might go, prompting public outrage at a level that demanded accountability and justice. In response to the public outcry, authorities initiated a case against 10 individuals, including the offender, Kuldeep Sengar, alongside his brother. The weight of collective anger was so palpable that the BJP had to act expelling Sengar from their ranks in August 2019 amidst the frenzy of political pressure. The call for justice had echoed so loudly that it could not be ignored, reflecting the society's demand for change and accountability in political spheres, marred by corruption and violence. The case then proceeded to the trial court, officially moving to Delhi on August 1st, 2019, as decreed by the Supreme Court. The judicial scrutiny culminated on March 13th, 2020, when Kuldeep Sengar was sentenced to a decade in prison for his role in what the court deemed culpable homicide. The presiding judge made a poignant declaration, emphasizing the lack of leniency toward those who extinguished the lives of a family's sole provider. The verdict resonated with a nation distressed by the pervasive plight of women. However, the corridors of power remained unyielding. Since his incarceration, Sengar has tirelessly fought for liberation from behind bars, illuminating the underlying complexities of power struggles intertwined with the law. His political ascent had been notable, beginning in the Congress before shifting to the BSP, and later earning seats with SP, culminating in a significant victory with the BJP in 2017, evidence of his relentless pursuit of power and status. Yet, the stark trajectory of his rise and fall narrates a cautionary tale, a reminder of how unchecked ambition can lead to moments of unspeakable brutality. A life once celebrated now stands as a testament to the inevitable consequences of exploiting authority and the importance of justice within the ever-shifting landscapes of political dominion. Despite the darkness that surrounds this story, it also ignites hope for change, further urging society to be vigilant in the fight against the intoxication of power.